So this is automated Cash App system Facebook training with Alex. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys automated Cash App system, how you can promote your system link on Facebook to make over $27 simply by sharing this system with people. So if you guys haven't grabbed your automated Cash App system, make sure you click the link below and go grab your system today. But this is Facebook training for automated Cash App system and how to use this system on Facebook to make over $100 a day if you just stay consistent and follow what I show you guys inside of this Facebook training for Cash App system, right? So this method, all we're simply going to be doing is asking questions. If you guys can ask a question, you guys can make over $100 a day with automated Cash App system. I'm going to tell you guys how to do it, but all we're simply doing is asking a question. People love to be asked questions. They love to answer the question because they want to feel important and they want to feel part of the game, right? So what you're going to do is step one, you're going to join 5 groups a day on Facebook. So all you simply have to do is go to the Facebook search bar and type in jobs in your area, jobs in Massachusetts, jobs in Boston, jobs in New Hampshire, jobs in Texas. Type that into the keyword and join these groups. You can also join yard sale groups, right? Yard sale groups in Massachusetts, yard sale groups in your area, etc. You guys get the point. Cash App groups. So go to the Facebook search bar and type in Cash App groups and join these groups. You can also join now hiring groups. So you're going to join 5 groups a day, right? 5 groups a day, every single day. So you're going to join these groups. Then you're going to go inside the group and ask a question. So I'll give you guys 3 examples of what I mean. So first question would be, who has Cash App and wants to make $100 a day? Let me know below. The main thing with this question and using automated Cash App is just to ask a question. This is just to get comments, right? We want engagement, right? We want the engagement to go on. So all we're simply doing is asking a question, right? And what this is going to do is going to allow these people to engage on the post. Because like I said, people love to feel important and they want to answer the question. So this is going to get you lots and lots of engagement, lots and lots of people asking you for more information about your automated Cash App system. Second thing you could do is another ad copy you could do is, who wants to make $100 today in cash for sharing a website with people? So if you guys go inside these groups and just ask this question, and you guys are going to get people asking you for more information. Another question you guys can use is, who has Cash App and wants to make $100 today? So if you go inside these Facebook groups, post this question and watch what happens. If you guys post these questions inside of 5 groups a day, every single day, you're going to have 20, 30, 40, 50 plus people asking you for more information. Then you simply send over your Cash App system. Now you can also do the same thing on your Facebook wall. So go to your Facebook wall and use the same post as above. Now before you do this, before you post this automated Cash App system, message, you want to scroll through your timeline and spend about 15 minutes scrolling through your timeline and liking and commenting on other people's stuff. What this is going to do is going to help you boost your Facebook, it's going to help you boost your Facebook timeline. So before you post these questions on your wall, spend at least 15 minutes liking and commenting on other people's posts. So Facebook shows that you'll get more engagement this way. Right, so all you simply have to do is do this for 15 minutes, then ask the same question as in the above, and you will get people wanting more information. Now the follow-up, all you're simply going to do, the people that ask you for more information inside the Facebook groups. Now if they ask for information inside the Facebook groups, add them as a friend first, then say this message: hello, Susan. Here's a new simple way for you to make $27 over and over again for each person you share their website with people. Get started here, then I send over the link, right? Because the biggest thing is they ask for more information. So simply, tell them their name. Hi, Megan. Hi, Dave. Here's the information. Go check out the website here. Then I'll send over the website and I'll follow up with that person within 20 minutes to ask them if they have any questions. So if you stay consistent with this method, right, on Facebook, if you stay consistent with this method every single day in Facebook groups, every single day on your Facebook wall, you can generate over $100 a day every single day, because I have people on my team doing this every single day. Because you have to understand that automated Cash App system is going to pay us a $27 commission. So all it takes is 4 people a day to make $100 a day with this method. And if you guys are doing Facebook, if you guys are doing Craigslist, if you guys are doing some IG, this method can be done every single day, because these are the exact same methods that I do every single day that allow me to generate over $100 a day with Cash App system, because I just stay consistent, right? I do Facebook, I do Craigslist, and I do YouTube videos every single day promoting automated Cash App system. So if you guys are looking to join automated Cash App system, click the link below and just go follow my training. If you guys stay consistent on Facebook, you stay consistent on Craigslist, you make YouTube videos, you guys can make this money every single day, like I'm making this money every single day. So click the link below, go grab your system. If you have any questions, email me, shoot me a text, or drop a comment below. But this is how you make money on Facebook with automated Cash App system, simply by asking these questions. So stop the video, rewatch the video, and get started today with automated Cash App system. I will catch you guys on the next video. If you have any questions, click the link below. Thank you for watching automated Cash App system Facebook training with Alex. Catch you guys later. Peace.